Artificial intelligence has become a daily tool for business teams, powering everything from writing and research to analysis and customer support. But as AI becomes more capable, safety and reliability have become just as important as creativity. Two of the biggest names leading the charge are Anthropic's Claude models and OpenAI's GPT family. Both deliver incredible intelligence, but they approach safety and business use in very different ways. So, which one is the better choice for producing safe, trustworthy business outputs? Let's break it down. Anthropic built Claude with one goal in mind: creating a helpful, honest, and harmless AI assistant. Everything about its design centers around safety. The Claude models are trained using a method called constitutional AI, which means they follow a clear set of written principles that guide their behavior. Instead of relying only on human feedback, Claude reasons through ethical questions using its own constitution, which helps it stay consistent and transparent. This makes it especially good for business tasks that require careful handling of language, tone, or compliance. For example, Claude tends to avoid generating risky, biased, or inappropriate content. It is excellent at summarizing long documents, analyzing sensitive information, and writing in a calm, professional voice. For companies that value brand safety and responsible communication, Claude feels dependable and thoughtful. OpenAI's GPT family, including models like GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo, takes a broader approach. These models are trained on massive data sets to understand and generate high-quality text across almost any topic. What makes GPT stand out is its versatility. It can write, code, analyze data, and even generate visuals when paired with the right tools. For business use, GPT models can adapt to different tones, industries, and audiences. They excel at creative problem-solving, strategic planning, and multi-step reasoning. OpenAI has also made significant progress on safety. The company employs strict moderation layers and alignment systems to prevent harmful or biased outputs. GPT models are frequently updated to handle complex business use cases securely, while keeping accuracy and speed at a professional level. In the end, both are excellent tools. Claude leans toward caution and responsibility, while GPT leans toward creativity and versatility. The best option depends on your organization's balance between safety and flexibility. For high-stakes communication, Claude keeps you protected. For innovation and growth, GPT gives you the range to push ideas forward safely and effectively.